we have this cabinet that I found in a basement, and it was pretty wrecked, and I painted it this dark kind of blue. And the idea is to maybe lighten it up a little bit because it is very dark. So what I had this idea of painting like a group of 7, kind of copy of a group of 7 painting on either side of this small little cabinet. And I think it's going to be a little bit challenging, but I think it's going to work out really nicely. And it's going to be like a little surprise when you walk around and you're going to see these like vibrant paintings pop out. So let's go and have some fun. This is the cabinet that we're going to be painting. I've already gessoed the panel. We've painted it this soft, really nice gray color. It's a mineral paint, and I love mineral paint. It goes on really nicely. We haven't painted the inside of the shelves just because I wanted to finish the painting, and then the paintings will really dictate what color is best for the inside. So one step at a time. So here we go. So I'm just going to start drawing on the image, and we're going to use a group of 7 Lauren Harris inspired painting for either side of them. So I think it'll look really Canadiana. What can I say? It's going to be awesome. This is the finished cabinet that we have. We've repainted it, made it a lot more brighter. You can do this. You can do some painting on it if you want to add a little bit more interest to what you're doing. Anyway, try it. Just have some fun and just, you know, try it. Thank you for watching Something Out of Nothing, and remember to watch, like, share, but mostly subscribe. And until next time, see you later. Interest, and you know, keep it out of landfill. We need to, you know, do that. That's really bad, isn't it?